Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download ASUS motherboard drivers. So basically what you'll need to do is open up your browser and type ASUS, then click on ASUS Global, make sure it is the official website, then hover over support right here and click on drivers and manuals. Now you'll need to select product type, so select motherboards, select your motherboard series, so this will be ROG for me, and select product model, so I will choose Commando, and basically now you'll see this Commando right here, and you will need to click on drivers and tools, and after that you will get this page, and you'll need to select your OS, so make sure to select the perfect and the right OS right here, and after that you will need to basically download the drivers that you need. So that's pretty much it guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.